Good afternoon. My name is Kyle McCall with Aspen University, and I'm working on my doctoral degree currently. And this is an update on my dissertation journey, which I'm very pleased to present as of today. As we look at chapters 1, 2, and 3, which is an integral part of building the dissertation, throughout the Dissertation 2 course, I built the content of these chapters, and there were several iterations on the advice of the IRB officer once I receive the review there, and I'm certain there will be additional ones as I move forward along this journey. I found much learning in the process. The informed consent was drafted and presented. However, the IRB officer recommended that the informed consent and the research participant announcement could actually be merged and provided along with the research survey that I put together. So I accepted that recommendation, and I anticipate there will be additional changes going forward, as the journey develops and as things move along. With the scholarly research participant announcement, which was submitted as part of the IRB review, the social media invitation submitted is much like the research participant announcement. And I may be using other social media for which I have a format and a document for making changes as I go, which is very useful. The scholarly review had many grammatical items that were discovered by the IRB officer and required changing, and I did that. The survey questions were ultimately sorted on the advice of my faculty advisor into three different areas of demographic questions, some quantitative questions, and also the qualitative questions. And I found that that was a very good way to approach that, and I'm very comfortable now with the way that's structured. My initial submission I thought would be okay because I put many hours of work into it, but this is a PhD or doctorate level degree that we're going for after all, and it was subsequently returned. The second submission, I'll admit, was kind of a jolt because I thought I had taken care of the 15 or so items from the first submission. And then the third submission was returned really with just a couple of simple fixes, and those were done and returned right away. So through the great advice, my faculty advisor, I got past the disappointment and determined that this is all to create a good, excellent process and an article for or dissertation for improving the knowledge in this area. So as of today, I got notification that I had gotten through this successfully. Hooray, yay. It's all about the attitude. The Dissertation 2 literature review initially I thought was going to take an awful long time to get through that. But subsequently, I found it was very interesting. It deepened the knowledge, deepened the level as I was going through this. And it really didn't seem that long because the whole course just kept moving and moving and moving. And the survey with jot form has now been built and updated after my IRB review. And Module 1 outline that was created as discussion question 2 in Module 1 is going to be very useful. I searched through everything and looked at how I was going to organize that, and I'm feeling really good about where that is going. To summarize a little bit, my initial submission to the IRB was returned, again with many issues, about 15 in total. The second submission was a little bit staggering yet, and it made me just take a deep breath. But all in all, with encouragement, I moved forward and just keeping that determination. Third submission, fix the couple of simple fixes, was resubmitted, and we're there. The IRB gave their approval. So through the great advice of my advisor, I got past that disappointment again, determined I was going to get with it, keep the attitude, and keep moving forward. So I'm looking forward to Dissertation 3 and moving through the calendar that I was able to put together for that. And I want to thank the Aspen University. I want to thank my chair, Dr. Campbell, and also my other advisors as we move forward. Dr. Dunn and Dr. Gay, thank you very much and have a great day.